We have new developments to report in Rhode Island's vaccine rollout. The Attorney General's office is now looking into whether the state's distribution of vaccines could have resulted in legal violations.
As 12 News reported Monday, some hospitals have recently expanded eligibility to include staff who don't work directly with patients, like board members or even some that are working remotely.
And 12 News reporter Alexandra Leslie joins us now with more on what the Attorney General's office is saying about this inquiry.
Well, a spokesperson for the Attorney General told us it's just that, an inquiry and not an investigation. The office says it's been communicating with the Department of Health about the distribution of the vaccines at the state's hospital networks, Lifespan and Care New England. Now, state health officials originally defended this early vaccination of certain low-risk employees, telling Target 12 while they've asked hospitals to prioritize patient-facing employees, there are some who don't interact with patients but are essential to the continuity of operations, like the IT department. The limited vaccine supply has made the distribution process controversial, as many groups are advocating to be prioritized first. As of this week, the last tier of phase 1, adults 75 and older, have not been vaccinated yet. The state's medical director, Dr. James McDonald, acknowledged vaccinations for board members was not on the state's goal when sending doses to hospitals first.
We did hear about Lifespan heading in this direction with board members, so we had a conversation with them, and there was a course correction there that I think was helpful, because that moved from doing that to having outpatient providers come in, because they're obviously much higher risk.
Now, Care New England told us that the hospital was following the guidelines put in place by the state. A rep for Lifespan did not immediately respond to our request for comment, however. Today, the Department of Health is holding its weekly COVID-19 briefing, where we may learn more about these distribution guidelines. Live in Pawtucket, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.